Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water dispenser stands that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links down in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Rustic water dispenser stand. This sturdy metal-crafted stand is designed for versatility, capable of holding 1 to 5 gallon water bottles, ceramic dispensers, or even serving as a plant stand. Its 32.8-inch height is ergonomically designed to match most counter heights, making it functional and space-saving. The 2 round shelves provide additional storage or decorative options for cups, plants, or small items. The build quality is impressive, made from high-quality metal materials that ensure stability and durability. With a weight capacity of up to 41.7 pounds, this stand won't buckle under pressure. Its sleek, minimalist design blends seamlessly into various home or office decor styles, adding a touch of organization and elegance. Additionally, the detailed installation manual and included toolkit make assembly quick and straightforward, even for beginners. However, the lack of pricing information may make it difficult for some buyers to evaluate its value proposition. While it offers great functionality and versatility, it doesn't come with extra features like adjustable height or additional valves for water flow control. Overall, this stand is ideal for those who prioritize stability, simplicity, and versatility over bells and whistles. At number 4, we have the Minbu adjustable drink dispenser holder. This bamboo-crafted stand is designed with adjustability in mind, allowing you to fit dispensers ranging from 6 to 11 inches wide, a feature that sets it apart from others in this list. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it ideal for a variety of uses, including holding water jars, beverage dispensers, indoor plants, or even dog bowls. The walnut-colored bamboo finish is not only environmentally friendly, but also waterproof and anti-corrosive, ensuring long-term use. One standout feature is its straightforward assembly process. With just 1 screw and a screwdriver included in the package, you can set it up in minutes without any drilling required. The non-slip pads provided prevent scratches and enhance stability, ensuring safe use on any surface. While it lacks shelves or additional storage space, its minimalist design and compact footprint make it perfect for smaller spaces or users who value simplicity. The Minbu stand excels in adaptability and build quality, but may fall short for those looking for more robust features like multi-tiered storage or higher weight capacity. It's best suited for eco-conscious buyers who need a versatile, adjustable, and stylish stand for smaller water dispensers or accessories. Coming in at number 3 is the Oyil 5-gallon water dispenser jug stand. This stand combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, featuring a 3-tier design that provides ample storage for cups, ornaments, or plants on the middle and bottom shelves. Its rustic brown and black color scheme adds a touch of warmth and charm to any living room, kitchen, or office space. With a height of 36.5 inches, this stand is ergonomically designed to match most counter heights, making it a practical addition to your home. The build quality is solid, constructed from high-quality MDF and metal that ensures durability and resistance to deformation. The smooth surface and fine wood grain finish elevate the overall design, while the included hardware and installation manual make assembly a breeze, taking just 15 minutes to put together. Despite its sturdy construction, it's relatively lightweight at just over 7 pounds, making it portable and easy to move around. While this stand offers great versatility, its decorative focus might not appeal to users looking for a purely functional water dispenser stand. Additionally, its price is not listed, which makes it harder to gauge its value compared to other options. This stand is ideal for buyers who want a multifunctional product that blends practicality with style. At number 2, we have the Nova Mango wooden water dispenser stand. Made from natural wood, this stand is both sturdy and stylish, featuring a 3-layer circular design that maximizes utility and aesthetics. The top layer is ideal for a water dispenser, the middle for cups or small accessories, and the bottom for plants or decorative items. With a height of 36.5 inches and a tray diameter of 13.3 inches, it's designed to save space while accommodating 1 to 5 gallon water bottles or dispensers. Safety is a key consideration in its design, with anti-tipping straps included to prevent accidental falls, ensuring the safety of family members. The natural wood finish adds a touch of sophistication to any living room, bedroom, or office. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, aided by detailed installation videos and responsive customer service for troubleshooting. At 7 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around, yet sturdy enough to hold heavy dispensers or jugs. While the Nova Mango stand shines in its aesthetic and safety features, it may not suit buyers who prefer metal or more modern designs. Additionally, the absence of price information can be a drawback for some shoppers. Overall, this stand is perfect for those looking for a functional yet decorative piece that blends seamlessly into home decor. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Brio stainless steel water jug stand. This stand offers the ultimate combination of durability, functionality, and affordability, all for just $27.16. Made entirely of premium stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and designed to last for years. Its compact and space-saving design makes it ideal for countertops, dorm rooms, RVs, or any space where you need a reliable water dispenser stand. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 2 dispenser valves for 48mm and 55mm bottle openings, ensuring compatibility with most 3 to 5 gallon water jugs. The BPA-free fast-flow water spouts are dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. Setting up the stand is quick and easy, and its lightweight yet sturdy build ensures stability without taking up too much space. At just 1.88 pounds, it's highly portable, making it a great option for frequent movers or those who want a versatile hydration solution. While it lacks additional storage or decorative elements, the Brio stand excels in practicality and user-friendliness. Its affordable price point and robust build make it the best choice for anyone looking for a reliable, no-nonsense water dispenser stand, perfect for households, offices, and dorm rooms alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.